Robotics has not only instilled 21st century skills in technology in my daughters, at the same time they have helped them in problem solving as they have to come up with a solution on the spot while constructing and running a robot. It has also taught them a lot about time management skills, and they have learned to work in a group and have learned teamwork skills. So, robotics has greatly helped them because at a very young age, it introduces the kids to STEM-based programs, and they are already learning about AI and machine learning, which has helped to broaden their horizons greatly and have created a lot of new career paths for them. And robotics teaches technology at a very young age through, in a very fun and interesting manner with the use of Lego. So that has greatly helped my kids.